Hey guys, I am at Dollar Tree right now and there's actually a lot of new stuff here. I think they just got a new shipment in, so I'm going to show you guys everything I'm finding. Diet Coke sweatshirt on with bows. We are cozy, it's rainy out.
In the book section, this actually isn't a book, it's a notebook, little journal that I just thought was really cute. I loved the inside design. Then just to show you guys some new books, this is the Wrinkle in Time book. They have so many cool books at Dollar Tree. They have like autobiographies. This was cool. It's a guided journal for kids. I actually got this for my niece for Christmas. It's so cute. Great find. I love all the little prompts that they have inside. Like, it is just so cute. So if you need a gift for a young girl, this would be amazing. I also found the jewelry heart jars. These come and go like every year. So you'll see them usually around like Mother's Day or Valentine's Day, and then you won't see them again. So they're adorable. The cutest little jewelry holder. These also would be a great party favor. Then I found some really cute cross magnets that had scriptures on them. You can always find really cute Christian magnets and a lot of other stuff too at Dollar Tree, which I love. So they had a lot of different ones to choose from. Then I found these new Bolero Kids hand washes, which I thought was really neat that they came out with a kids line. So they had strawberry. This one is orange. Oh no, peaches. Sorry guys, peaches. And then this one is watermelon. And all of these are only $1.25. This is the new Be Pure curling cream. This is actually a $3 find. I did pick this up because I want to try to wear my natural waves sometime this summer. And then I saw these Hey Arnold socks in the sock section. You guys know I always find a bajillion socks and I always like to show them to you. I don't know if people want to constantly see the socks, but I think they're fun. So there's always different ones like Willy Wonka, Monopoly. They have a Bob Ross socks, which was so random and funny. The Hulk, like literally everything you can think of, anything you can think of is on a sock at Dollar Tree. Then I found this new VO5 heat protectant spray. I have actually been using this and I really like it. It's great. It's affordable. It works well. I also saw they redid the packaging for the Be Pure bronzer drops. These are nice to mix in with your moisturizer. They are really intense, but I like them. They also have these new little lip glosses. They're in the shape of a little soda bottle with different flavors like orange soda, raspberry soda. I love all the nails they've been coming out with at Dollar Tree. So Kiss is a name brand and these are just absolutely beautiful. They are really long, so if you like long nails, then you will like these. This is their premium line. I love the rhinestones. And I love finding all these name brand nails at Dollar Tree. They also had this set, which had some really big gems, super cute. And then they had this cute set. The thing is, you only get 12 pieces in here, so you may have to buy 2 packs to get them to fit correctly on all your nails. So they also had like some ombre ones. Okay, they also came out with a new wallpaper in some really fun designs. So I have never tried this before, but I think it would be cool for an accent wall in your house. And I loved this leaf print. I thought this was really chic. I can picture that over like a whole little accent wall. And this gold one was really nice as well. It was like gold leaves. And most all Dollar Tree should have the same wallpapers. Then I found this new Dermasil Lactobionic Acid Skincare Toner. I really like these toners from Dermasil. This is a very good, like, trusted brand if you're looking for skincare that is good quality at Dollar Tree. I know people are always concerned about Dollar Tree skincare. This is the new Retinol Renewing Serum from Global Beauty Care. I was pretty impressed by the ingredients. I definitely would give that a try. This is the new Power Serum from Global Beauty Care. Now, this is supposed to be a dupe for the Olay. And again, the ingredients were very impressive. I also found this new Global Beauty Care Retinol Cream. I have not tried this, so let me know if you guys have tried that one before. This is a great new find from Skin Nutrition. This is their new Glow Up Vitamin C and Rose Antioxidant Serum. And the first ingredient in here is not water, it's rose extract, which means that it's not full of water. So that's amazing. That was the first thing I noticed, and I was so impressed by that. Usually these serums are just made up of all water, but that one is not. This is a new eye heating mask. We also have some new food finds, dairy-free white popcorn from Skinny Pop. I actually ended up getting that. Late July, little mini bags. I love their chips. They're so good. They also have nacho cheese. These are non-GMO. This was cool. This is a new one of those zero sugar packets. This one is from Peak H2O in the flavor Ice Pop. I tried it and I did like it. I didn't love it, but it was good. I also found these new Oxydol Bold Scents. This is lemongrass and sage. These are spray cleaners and they looked so much like Method, and they're plant-based. I thought this was a really great find. The ingredients looked good, non-toxic. We also have these citronella wristbands for summertime to keep those mosquitoes away. They had a few different colors. We also have some little like fly traps. They have these new paint collapsible brush washer bowls in the craft section in a few different colors. And they also came in pink as well. So I like showing you guys just anything new that I find. This was such a cool find. It was on my wish list. The boy shorts. So these were in the sock section, and I've been looking for these for months. There was kind of like a lure. Like I heard people talking about them, and I'm like, how am I ever going to find these? So I finally did, and it was so cool. When I went back to the store, they were all gone. So if you see them, you have to grab them. They had small, medium, and large, and a lot of cute prints to choose from. And they even had little cute little brands like Sugar Babies and Junior Mints. They had flowers, leopard. So cool, and they're really comfy. They are 100% polyester, in case you guys are wondering. I also noticed they restocked the giant makeup bags. These are one of my favorite finds. I love the inside with the zippered pocket and the little handle. I love the gold zipper detail. Just such a great find, and you can fit so much in these makeup bags. It's kind of crazy. I use them so many times for giveaways. I also found the new lip sleeping masks from Global Beauty Care. These are supposed to be like the Laneige, and I'm hoping they're going to be better than the Beauty Intuition ones, because those were like hard wax. So they have 3 different flavors. I found the third one at the end of this video, but I was super excited. Oh my gosh, you guys, I could not believe it. I found a full display of the hand sanitizers. This is the cucumber and the watermelon. So I definitely grabbed a set of those because that was my first time seeing them in stores. I also spotted this really cute little daisy hand soap wash, and I loved the packaging. You could also replace the scent if you want to just use your own soap in there, because that was too cute. And then I found the new Native Dupes. This is the volumizing conditioner and shampoo, and they also had a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner in coconut and vanilla. Okay, I found these new cuticle oils that have like little jewels in them, which is so cool. And it's actually like real stones in there. So they had a couple different ones to choose from. I was trying to show you guys like up close. They have jojoba oil, vitamin E. So cool and unique. I also found these new dual-sided lip liners from LA Colors. And I also saw these really cute new notebooks. These were like kind of up by the checkout area. And they have the fun little like, what would you call that? Like, I think I call it kawaii designs. Super, super cute. And here are some more new notebooks. I'm trying to keep up with all those things at Dollar Tree. These are some really funny face coasters that I found. I had not seen these anywhere else. I think these are also name brand. And then you guys, up at checkout, I was shocked. I found a full display of the, do you see they spelled moisturizing wrong? Oh my gosh. The moisturizing hand sanitizers from Be Pure in the new scents. We have this one, which is coconut lime, and the other one that I showed you guys was hibiscus. And I also picked up these because I was so excited, and they have the matching cases that you could use to like pop onto a bag or a backpack, which is so exciting. So I saw these and I was like, oh my gosh, I couldn't believe that I had like found the full display. And then you guys, another cool find. These are the dupes for Glow Recipe. These are brand new. They have 3 of them. So this is the Glow Up Revitalizing Serum, and this is the pomegranate. And they've even got the packaging like down, which is crazy. Like the glass bottle. I am so impressed that they were able to do this packaging and this design for how only $1.25 is crazy. This one is the strawberry, and then this is the renewing serum, the avocado. So they each have their own unique ingredients or extracts. Then I found this Whitney Houston body spray. It actually smelled pretty good. I did a couple spritzes. Hope nobody minded. But a lot of people said this smelled like alcohol to them. So I don't know. I thought it was pretty good. And then I saw these new Be Pure hair serum and repairing hair mask. I am like always a little bit conscious, what would the word be, or hesitant to use Dollar Tree hair products just because my hair is like, I don't like to mess with my hair. I like to use good stuff on my hair. But if anyone is willing to try these, let me know if it's good or it's bad. Sometimes my followers on Instagram will tell me, they'll give me a review of the items so I can know ahead of time. Okay, I was so excited. Believe Beauty and Believe Skin is now going to be at Dollar Tree. They got rid of it from Dollar General. So the first thing I found is this exfoliating face mask for the shower, which I love those, and I'm so excited to find more Believe Beauty. We also have these new pizza containers. At least they're new at my store. I'd never seen them, and I loved that. And then they came out with all the hot pink neon storage items for summer, which is so pretty. This is a great find in the Dollar Plus section. This huge bag of variety pack of bags for only $5. Like, what a steal. And I love how it's organized. They have these new silicone wine stoppers. I loved the little cowgirl hat. Super cute and fun. We also have new additions to the Bermuda laundry line. We have the 3-in-1 laundry packs, which I fear these may have ruined my washing machine, you guys. I'm not sure, but I used 2 and my washing machine broke, okay? Just saying. Such a random find, but they had these Nickelodeon girl, like, little pack of hipsters, which I thought was cool. Easy way to just grab something if you have a kid. I don't know. I don't know what size that fits. But they also had these Bermuda Blue Citrus fragrance misters. They have, like, the crazy amount of stuff in this line, and I kept finding more and more stuff as I was walking throughout the store. These were new as well. These are like little fragrance, I don't know what they are, like sheets. You could put them in anywhere. You can also put them into like a vent. It said like an AC vent to scent it. We have a new mint air freshener spray. I really like this brand. We also have this new Tiger Balm pain relieving patch, which I thought was a really cool find. This is a name brand. And then this is really cool. They had these New York Yankees bag clips, a 2-piece set, and a new colander. We also have some new nails. These are so pretty. Again, you might need to get 2 sets to make sure they all match up on your nails, because for me 12 pieces is never enough. I always need more. And then here are some more. These are from the brand Ladybird. I loved this set too with the matte green. And then this is Pretty Woman's nails. You guys see it has a little fake water droplets on it. Thought that was a really funny detail. This is an ombre set. And then I found these new nail gems, 600 pieces. Some new hair items. We have this adorable pink bow, this new pink pearl headband. They're coming out with so much hair stuff recently. Tons of headbands. I try and again keep up with all the new hair stuff and show you guys and not repeat the old stuff. I just want to try and show you guys the new stuff in every video. So if you ever want to see like older things or whatever, just go back and watch all my shop with me's, because I put everything in there. Again, so I try not to like repeat and only just show the new stuff. But you can see there was so many headbands to choose from. We have these cute new little nail files, a cactus. This is a nice set of 3. And then this was cute, the little crystal nail file as well. Such a cool find. This bamboo name brand lint roller. I had to snag this. I loved the handle. So nice and chic. So that is it, you guys. Thanks for shopping with me. I'll see you next time.